few weeks ago, I decided on embarking on a project. A simple one as such, but probably one that can be grown. I hope so. It's just a trial. I've always wanted to keep fish, and I decided to go out and buy a few things. I bought. It's not so much of a real aquarium, but you can see that I put a filter. I put a pump. I don't know whether I need a filter and a pump. I'm just a novice at this and I'm just sharing for you to see. Well, and I've stocked it today. I've added a few plants. I don't know whether those are just few, maybe those are so many plants. And I've added 5 fishes. So far, they're okay. Yeah, I don't think that they're hungry. They seem to be moving about quite well. They have acclimatized to the environment. I've not yet given them anything to eat, but I'll be getting them something this evening. I've been told that fish can stay for as long as a week without eating. I don't know when they last fed, but they seem to be okay. But more importantly, I wanted them to first get used to the environment before I added extra things like food. Um, I can see that they have put for me some other green plants that are floating. Forget about the bigger plant, but there are these small ones. I don't know what they are. Maybe someone can explain them to me. I still need to do a bit of work on this and ensure that it does the proper job. I hope I won't have issues with power. Already there was a power break in the course of the day, but it was just a short one. Power came back on, and voila, we continue with our lives. Are those small plants going to continue growing and expand? Is that the koi? I don't know, but I'll get to know with time. I'll see. I guess also once I give them something to eat, they'll be able to produce some ammonia, and maybe some of these plants will be able to grow. I don't know whether, of course, it's that process where ammonia is transformed into nutrients. So here we are, here we go. Let's see, this is day one, and hopefully it will be a beautiful journey keeping fish. The first fish I had as a child, and we used to keep it in a drum, a big drum at home. This drum we also used to keep our water for the house. So one night, while my mother was getting water to cook from that drum, she poured it out. She didn't know, it was just by mistake. So it was poured out while she was going to wash some utensils to do the cooking. And that was it. I've tried to have fish a number of times later on in my life. Not been that successful. I think in 2017 I tried to do an aquaponics project, and probably this can also lead to something like that. But I tried to do an aquaponics project. I bought a water pump, I bought a solar panel, I bought batteries for the solar, I bought drums. I intend to do better this time now. It wasn't so much of a catastrophe, but of course it didn't work out as expected. But hopefully this one can do something. Something good can come out of this. Let us see what will come out of it. I hope. That's my biggest scare, is that I wake up one day and some of them have died. But I think they seem to be okay so far. What I did for the water, this is tap water, and you know tap water usually has chlorine. So what I did, I let it sit for about 1 or 2 days before I added the fish. And I've been told that when you do that, you get to the chlorine gets to dissolve into the air. So here we are. I think this is what they call koi fish. This one, they all look orange, apart from one that is not. and then the other has also a combination of orange and a bit of brown. One has brown, that one that keeps moving about. So let us see let us see what this journey looks like. Hopefully I can love it, and hopefully you two who are watching will enjoy it. Bye bye.